In this video, I'm going to talk about basic pickleball strategy. Pickleball is first and foremost a game of attrition. You have to just simply outlast your opponent because most people you play cannot beat you if you don't beat yourself for them. So what we want to learn is how to play with more margin for error. Our main opponent on the court is not the people we're playing, it is the net. So what we have to learn is to keep it higher over the net without letting it be attackable on the other side. We call that learning to have touch and finesse. So basically that's the most important thing. We also don't want to miss the ball wide. If we're missing it wide or low into the net, we're essentially beating ourselves. So what we want to learn to do is keep our opponents back at the baseline as much as possible, and we want to control the non-volley zone line, or what we call the kitchen. We do that with finesse. We can use a little power if the ball gets up, but we have to be disciplined not to attack balls that are too low and to know when to attack balls that are high so that we can keep them off balance, out of the kitchen, and basically on their heels while we are controlling the point with finesse and touch and nice strategy by always playing from the front of the court or near the non-volley zone line.
I want to ask you a question. Are you ready to take your pickleball game to the next level, making pickleball even more fun? Do you want to do it the right way and see results the very next time you step on the pickleball court? If so, I want to introduce you to the Pickleball Masterclass. It's the only comprehensive online pickleball course that'll help you achieve a 4.0 rating or higher, attract better players, better partners, and have more fun in a record time.
Inside the Pickleball Masterclass, we have 35 videos broken up into 8 modules. The serve, the return, the third shot, fourth shot, the dink, lob, the volley, and the reset. We break down each of the core aspects of the game and attach a principle so that the skill that is taken away takes all the guesswork out of the game for you. And you have a systematic approach to the game that you can build a solid foundation upon.
Just click the button below this video and it'll take you to our checkout page where the discounted price is already factored in. When you check out, you'll have instant access to all of the training inside the Pickleball Masterclass, the championship drills, one-day clinic, and the paddle grip series.